Meaning of gin sling.
Gin sling.
Gin sling.
Gin sling.
Gin sling. A gin sling is a mixed alcoholic drink made with gin, lemon juice, sugar, and water or soda. The term sling refers to a drink that is composed of spirit, water or soda, and sugar. The addition of lemon juice gives the drink a tart flavor. The gin sling was a popular cocktail during the 19th century, and it is often associated with the colonial era. The drink's simplicity and refreshing taste led to its popularity as a summer drink. Today, the gin sling remains a classic cocktail and is enjoyed by those who appreciate gin-based drinks.